Hello and welcome to 6051 Opperman Way. This is a virtual tour of the front porch. So as you can see, there's 3 stalls here with an extended area in the back. We are now in the backyard, looking at the smaller of the 2 storage wood sheds. There's 2 levels to the backyard with terraces that switch back and forth down the hill to get you down to the river. There's also a second fire pit and bench near the river. It's sandy right out in front of us for swimming. Welcome as we've come through the front door. As you can see, there's a landing going down to the lower level. We enter into a foyer and then into the living room space, which overlooks an outdoor seating area, the deck, the trees, and the river below. Here's the kitchen. Plenty of counter space. Breakfast bar area. There's a pantry with slide-out drawers. And as we make our way to the back entry, you can see there's a bench with baskets for storage and hooks. Plenty of entryway storage space. This is the master bedroom area. It's an ensuite space with 2 closets. Master bathroom. As you can see, there's his and her sinks, lots of storage space, a jutted tub, privacy glass, an oversized shower with glass shower doors, a linen closet, and the walk-in closet. If we continue on this way, there's a semi-private toilet area. And then we enter into the laundry room. We will now head down to the lower level. So from the lower level, you've got beautiful views of the river. You enter into a family/entertaining space. And then the first room off to the right is an office/bedroom. It's currently being used as an office. It does have a large closet or storage room associated with it, and a built-in desk. There's an outdoor seating area with a fire pit and 2 wood sheds that hopefully we can see from the outside views. And as you can see, there's continual views of the river. Family room with fireplace, gas fireplace. All you have to do is flip a switch. There's under the stairway storage area a full bathroom here with a full-size tub and shower. It also has big views of the river in the backyard. This is the view from the deck upstairs.